Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete your WhatsApp emoji history on your Android or iOS devices. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open your WhatsApp, then just simply click on your three dots at the top right corner, then go to settings, then just quickly make a backup of your all the chat history. So for doing that, go to your chats, then go to chat backup, then just simply create a backup. And then after your backup is made, just simply go back. And now let me show you what my history currently looks like. So if I go on any chat and show you my emoji history, you can see I have a whole lot of emoji history left in my emoji section. So now in order for you to remove this, what you have to do is just simply go back, then again just simply go to your home screen. Now just simply go to your phone settings, then in your phone settings just simply search for apps, then click on apps. Now click on manage apps. It might be different for different types of phones, but what you have to do is just simply clear your cache and clear your data of WhatsApp. So after that, just simply search WhatsApp over here, then open WhatsApp. So over here, what you have to do is just simply first click on clear data and click on clear cache. Then hit OK. Then click on clear all data. Then hit OK. Now after doing that, just simply go back to your WhatsApp. Now enter your phone number and link your WhatsApp. Now just simply wait for the verification code to come. So after the verification process is complete, just simply hit continue, then allow the permissions. Now it will look for some backup. So all you have to do is over here, just simply hit restore. So after the restoration process is complete, just simply hit next, enter your name, then hit next. And now after the restoration process is complete, if I open any chat now and go to my emoji history, then click on the history icon, you can see over here there is no recent emoji history left. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.